Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel KK Technique. Let's start today session. How set path code blocks. Let's start. Click this PC. Open window. Click file x86. Click on Codeblocks. After then click on Meet. After then click bin minus binary. Click all copy. After then click again this PC. After then right click properties. After then click advanced system setting. Click environment variables. Click new. After then variable name Codeblocks. Variable name just paste. Okay. Thanks watching for this video. Don't forget like, subscribe and share. Jai Hind.